Hello children, welcome to Saraswati Shishukunj Vadwala Borsar. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe. Today I am giving you session of English Standard 3rd and today's our topic is Poem 2 Bird Talk. In my previous video before exam, already I have explained you Bird Talk poem with colorful video. Remember? Okay, but so but I am giving you another recap. Okay, so you will understand this, that what will happen with that those two birds and what they were thinking. So let me explain you once again. In that poem, two birds were there. Okay, and bird talk means that those two birds were talking. And what were the name of those two birds? Yes, Jay and Robin, right? So those both birds were talking with each other, okay, and they were sitting on the branch, right, on the tree, and they were talking about people, right? Every time people were talking about birds, but in this poem, birds were talking about people. Now what they are thinking for us? That they were thinking that people are very funny and they don't have wings, they don't have feathers, they can't grow, right? And they are thinking like that way. They are not eating beetles, right? They are not sitting on the wires. So people are very funny, okay, and we are very good. So those birds were thinking like that way. Birds in bird talk, those both birds, Robin and Joy, were thinking like this way, that people are funny and we are intelligent. Okay children? So now in this video you will get more exercise. Okay? So get ready for the exercise. Okay? So in this in my previous video you have learned hard words and rhyming words, right? In this video you will learn how to write paragraph with the help of some words and question answers. Okay? So let's start. Now this is the exercise, okay? So in this exercise children, what you have to do? You have to write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. Which words? Sky, nest, water, chirp. Chirp is a sound of a bird. Fly and wings, right? These words you have to use and you have to make sentences. Okay children, here written that you have to write 4 sentences. You can write 5 sentences, you can make 6 sentences as per your choice, okay? But here I will write 5 sentences, okay? And this exercise I took from page number 13. So when you will open your page number 13 of Marigold, so on page number 13 you will get this exercise. So you can write these answers, these sentences with very good handwriting in your textbook, because now you all have textbooks, so you can write this exercise in your textbooks also, okay? Simultaneously you have to write in your notebook also. So in both, in textbook, in notebook, in both you have to write these exercises, okay children? So now let's start the first number, okay children? Now the first sentence I will make with the word of nest, okay, with the word of nest. So the first sentence will be, the bird lives in the nest. Okay, so here which word I use? Nest. Okay, so with the help of this word we have to make sentence, and this is the first sentence. The bird lives in the nest. So we finish this word sentence. Okay, now next. Second, as dog is to bark, bird bird. Okay. So here as dog is to bark. When dog is barking, what is the sound of dog? Bark. And what is the sound of bird? Chirp. Okay. Now 3 number next. Now 3 number I will use sky and fly. Okay. So the sentence is the bird fly in the sky. Okay, here I took 2 words. The bird fly in the sky. Okay, so how many finish? Sky, nest, chirp and fly. Now which remain? Water and wings. So now next. 4 number. The birds fly with the help of their wings. Okay. So here which word I used from the bracket? Yes, wings. Okay. So here I will do underline. Children, you have to remember for underline always you have to take care when and where you have to make underline. So the sentence is the birds fly with the help of their wings. Now only which word is remain? Water. So now next. Now 5 number. Give water to birds in summer. Okay, when the summer season is going on, so birds felt very thirsty, right? So on that time they require water every day, every time of the day. So here which word I used? Water. Okay, so we finish all the spelling: sky, nest, water, chirp, fly and wings. With the help of these words you can make another sentences also. It's not compulsory that you will write the same sentences. Okay, so you can use some another sentences also. Now get ready for the next exercise. Our next exercise is question and answers. Now we will write question answers also. Okay, and questions are available in page number 12. Okay, so the heading I am writing first of all. Answer the following questions. Now children, you will see questions. You will see questions on page number 12. Okay, in your textbook you will get questions on page number 12. Okay, you don't have any place to write answer in your textbook. So compulsory you will write all the question answers. There are 3 question answers. So you will write all the 3 question answers in your notebook. Okay children, and remember it that no one will write anything on upper margin. Always starts from first line, first 4 lines. Okay, first of all you have to give heading and then you have to start the exercise, and leave after each number you have to leave 1 line, so your work will look better and write with good handwriting. Okay, so the first question is, name the two birds in the poem. So remember children, what were the name of 2 birds in the poem? Yes, Robin and Jay. Okay, so you can write the answer. The 2 birds are Robin, Robin, Robin and Jay. Jay, Jay. Main spellings are Robin and Jay. Okay. So you have to be careful while you are writing those spellings. Once again I am repeating. Name the two birds in the poem. Okay. What are the names of two birds? The two birds are Robin and Jay. Now next. Now question 2. What are the three things that people can't do? Now, according to birds, what three things people can't do? Remember, children? Yes. First of all, people don't grow wings. Right? We have wings? No. Then, people can't eat beetles. Right? Small insects. Right? We are not eating insects. We are not eating beetles. Right? And what are the three things? And the third one is people can't sit on wires. Right? We can't sit on wires. Yes, we can sit on things. Means, for example, on table, on chair. Right? But we can't sit on wires. So we will write these three things which people can't do according to the thinking of birds. So the first one is people can't grow wings. Can't grow wings. Then people can't sit on wires. Sorry, here don't grow wings. People don't grow wings. Then after people can't sit on wires and people can't eat beetles. People can't eat beetles. Okay, these three things. Once again, what are the three things that people can't do? So first of all, people don't grow wings. The second one is people can't sit on wires. And the third thing, people can't eat beetles. Okay, now next. Now 3 number. What do birds think of people? Children, that how I am writing, so you should also write with proper and clear handwriting. Your handwriting, your letters should touch their lines properly. Okay, then and then your work will be look good and nice. Okay, and whenever you will read from your textbook or notebook, so you will also be comfortable. Because if you will write with bad handwriting, so you can't write, you can't read also, and your parents also can't unable to read those letters, right? So be punctual when you are writing. Write with nice handwriting. Be punctual for all the punctuations, full stop, capital letter, comma and all. So you have to be careful. Okay, now let's write this answer. What do birds think of people? Now remember children, what do birds think? Yes, they were thinking that people are funny, right? They were thinking that people are funny. So the answer is the are funny. Okay. First of all, I want to tell you that you have to learn funny spelling properly because it is the main word of this answer. So be careful. Funny spelling F-U-N-N-Y. Okay. Once again, what do birds think of people? So the birds think that people are funny. Okay. So here I am completing my video. You have to write all the both exercises very nicely in your notebook. Okay. And simultaneously previous exercise of words, okay, you have to make sentences. That exercise you have to write in your textbook also. Okay. If you feel any confusion, you can call me. Okay. You can see the video once again also. And till then, stay safe. Jai Hind and goodbye.